Chapter 6 Artificial Intelligence. Chapter Outline. In this chapter you will learn 1. What is Artificial Intelligence AI? 2. Future of AI. 3. What is Internet of Things IoT? 4. Artificial Intelligence of Things ALOT. 5. Applications of ALOT. 6. Will intelligent machines have right? KB. Hey Ambi, am I intelligent or not? Ambi. You are intelligent. Why are you asking so? KB. Our teacher was telling us that robots are intelligent. Ambi. Yes, they are also intelligent, but their intelligence is different from ours. KB. You are confusing me. Are there different types of intelligences? Ambi. Yes, we human beings have natural intelligence and smart machines like robots have artificial intelligence. Let me tell you more about this in detail. Artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is all around us. Artificial intelligence is composed of two words, artificial and intelligence, where artificial defines human-made and intelligence defines thinking power. So, artificial intelligence, AI, means a human-made thinking power. In other words, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and are able to take decisions. Artificial intelligence exists when a machine can have human-based skills such as learning, reasoning, and solving problems. Importance of artificial intelligence. AI develops the abilities of humans as a software adds to understanding, reasoning, planning, communication, and perception of human beings effectively, efficiently, and at low cost. AI is more effective and quicker in finding patterns in data. AI-based robots have opened new options in business and consumer markets. Useful new products, services, and skills supported by AI include self-driven vehicles, computerized analysis of medical problems, voice input for human-computer interaction, intelligent agents, automatic data processing, and enhanced decision-making. AI has many useful abilities that have resulted in higher incomes and cost savings in existing businesses. AI is very useful in the fields in which a large part of time is spent in collecting and processing data. These include financial services, retail and trade, professional services, manufacturing, healthcare, and transport sectors. Why do we need artificial intelligence? With the help of AI, we can create such software or devices which can solve real-world problems very easily and with accuracy such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues, etc. With the help of AI, we can create our personal virtual assistant such as Cortana, Google Assistant, Siri, etc. With the help of AI, we can build such robots which can work in an environment where survival of humans can be at risk. AI opens a path for other new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. The purpose of artificial intelligence is to aid human capabilities and help us make advanced decisions with far-reaching consequences. Artificial intelligence has the potential to help humans live more meaningful lives devoid of hard labor and help manage the complex web of interconnected individuals, companies, states, and nations to function in a manner that's beneficial to all of humanity. Presently, artificial intelligence is being used mostly by companies to improve their process efficiencies, automate resource-heavy tasks, and make business predictions based on hard data rather than emotional feelings. What is Internet of Things, IoT? The electronic devices, when connected to the Internet, are known as Internet of Things (IoT). It integrates daily use devices with the Internet, like things from common household objects like light bulbs to healthcare assets like medical devices to smart wearable devices, and so on. Artificial Intelligence of Things (AIoT). A combination of artificial intelligence (AI) technology and Internet of Things (IoT) infrastructure is known as Artificial Intelligence of Things (AIoT). AIoT aims to making IoT operations more effective while also enhancing data management and human-machine interactions. AI can enhance the benefits of IoT by adding human-like awareness and decision-making to the environment, which will ultimately increase efficiency and improve operations. Applications of AIoT. The following are the different applications of AIoT. Smart home. A smart home has its devices interconnected through the Internet, and the user can control functions such as security access to the home, temperature, lighting, and home theater from their smartphone apps. Cameras will track your home's exterior even if it's pitch black outside. You can control a thermostat, the air conditioning, anywhere from your smartphone where it has a signal. Smartphone integration lets you turn lights and appliances on or off from your mobile device. Door locks and garage doors can open automatically as your smartphone approaches. Auto alerts from your security system will immediately go to your smartphone, so you instantly know if there is a problem at home. Smart Connect. Name 2 or more applications where IoT is used. Smart City. Initiatives for smart cities are being made possible globally by the emerging AIoT applications. Smart cities use IoT-enabled devices such as connected sensors, lights, and meters to collect and analyze data. The data is used to improve operations across the city for better quality of life and lower consumption of resources. The following are different benefits of smart cities. 1. Reduce energy cost and carbon emission. Cities are becoming more populated and we are running out of resources. Smart cities effectively conserve and reduce unnecessary wastage of water and electricity. Smart sensors allow cities to quickly identify leaks in pipes and fix damaged areas in a short amount of time. Real-time data is used to regulate or dim LED street lights. Smart energy meters in residences encourage residents to use less energy. 2. Monitoring air quality. In smart cities, air pressure, air pollution, humidity, and the presence of chemicals can all be examined in real time. 3. Reduce traffic congestions. Smart traffic signals provide real-time data which is used by the traffic management system for sending real-time alerts to people, advising the fastest routes, provide parking locations, and so on. 4. Optimize waste management. Smart dustbins can signal density levels to waste management companies, thereby providing removal services as needed, as opposed to useless pre-scheduled pickups. 5. Provide security and safety. Smart city technology like Wi-Fi, IoT, and surveillance cameras can improve resident safety and increase incident response times. Smart surveillance camera features like facial recognition, fire alarm, smoke alarm, and locking or unlocking of doors all help in reducing the risk of crimes. These technologies work together to make the communities safer. Smart healthcare. Healthcare is an essential part of city life. Existing healthcare systems are facing significant challenges due to the rapid growth of the population, such as the high demand for hospitals, medical resources in sustainable cities. IoT and global computing advancements have given rise to the concept of smart healthcare, where AIoT-enabled infrastructures help in diagnosing disease, treatment monitoring, and other medical processes and services. With the use of smart technology, hospitals may completely transform the way patients engage with the doctor. Patient history can be taken by robots and updated correctly to the patient health record systems. Healthcare-powered by AIoT will be more effective, economical, and individualized. The following are the benefits of IoT in healthcare: reduced healthcare cost, improved treatment outcome, better disease control, better analysis of patients' medical progress, fewer errors, maintenance of medical services, smart transportation. AIoT transportation refers to the networking of automobiles using smart sensors, actuators, and other devices that collect and communicate data on actual activities. The adoption of AIoT-enabled technology has led to developments in the transport industry. AIoT-enabled transportation helps people by providing more accurate, up-to-date, and real-time data, which help them to plan their trips and enhance communication. The safety of the transport systems around the world can be increased by deploying AIoT-enabled technology to monitor train speeds, air traffic conditions, temperatures, and the number of vehicles at an intersection. The following are different benefits of smart transportation. 1. Toll and ticketing. An IoT-enabled vehicle can be detected up to a kilometer away from a tolling station, correctly identification and the barrier lifting for the vehicle to pass through. 2. Connected cars. Connected cars will use in-vehicle networks, radar and cameras to detect and communicate with one another in the future. It will help in preventing collisions and promoting smooth traffic flow. 3. Vehicle tracking systems. Vehicle tracking systems are typically used within the freight segment to help companies manage their operations effectively. Additionally, they help in monitoring driver and can collect information on idling time and driving habits. 4. Public transport management. AIoT-enabled public transport management systems include integrated ticketing, automated fare collection, passenger information systems, and so on. It helps transport agencies to monitor real-time traffic and make adjustments for the unpredicted incidents such as accidents, roadworks, emergencies. Evolution of AI. Smart Connect. The term artificial intelligence was first coined at Dartmouth College in 1956 by a scientist named Marvin Minsky. Artificial intelligence technology is much older than we can imagine. Ancient Greek mythology included intelligent robots and artificial entities for the first time. The important phases of evolution of AI can be studied in chronological order as 1943, Warren McCulloch and Walter Pitts published a paper, A Logical Calculus of Ideas Immanent in Nervous Activity, which was the first work on artificial intelligence AI in 1943. This suggested an artificial neuron model. 1950, Alan Turing, an English mathematician, published Computing Machinery and Intelligence, in which he proposed a test to determine if a machine has the ability to exhibit human behavior. This test is famously known as the Turing test. 1956, the first artificial intelligence program named Logic Theorist was constructed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon. This program verified 38 of 52 mathematical theorems as well as discovering new and more elegant proofs for several of them. 1956, the word artificial intelligence was first adopted by John McCarthy, an American scientist at the Dartmouth Conference, and was coined for the first time as an academic field. 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum created the first ever chatbot named Elijah. 1972, the first humanoid robot was built in Japan named Wobot 1. 1997, IBM's computer IBM Deep Blue defeated the then world chess champion Garry Kasparov and became the first computer or machine to beat a world chess champion. 2002, the inception of vacuum cleaners made AI enter homes. 2006, companies like Facebook, Google, Twitter, Netflix started using AI. 2011. Watson, an IBM computer, won Jeopardy! In 2011, a game show in which it had to solve complicated questions and riddles. Watson had demonstrated that it could comprehend plain language and solve complex problems fast. 2014, Google made the first self-driving car which passed the driving test. 2014, Amazon's Alexa was released. 2016, Hanson Robotics created the first robot citizen, Sophia, a humanoid robot capable of facial recognition, verbal conversation, and facial emotion. 2020, during the early phases of SARS-CoV-2 pandemic, Baidu made its LinearFold AI algorithm available to scientific and medical teams seeking to create a vaccine. The system could anticipate the virus's RNA sequence in just 27 seconds, which was 120 times faster than prior methods. With daily progress, artificial intelligence is making rapid advancements in all fields. AI in everyday life. Some AI applications that we use in everyday life. Online shopping. Artificial intelligence is used in online shopping to provide personalized recommendations to users based on their previous searches and purchases. Digital personal assistants. Smartphones use AI to provide personalized services. AI assistants can answer questions and help users to organize their daily routines without a hassle. Machine translations. AI-based language translation software provides translations, subtitling, and language detection which can help users to understand other languages. Cybersecurity. AI system can help recognize and fight cyber attacks based on recognizing patterns and backtracking the attacks. Artificial intelligence against COVID-19. In the case of COVID-19, AI has been used in identifying outbreaks, processing healthcare claims, and tracking the spread of the disease. Seek more. Visit the following website to learn more about the concept of artificial intelligence. Future of AI. The future of artificial intelligence is more fascinating than ever. People seem to have indulged in this debate for years now. Some say robots are the future and they will replicate humans completely. Another option is that human dependency on this sector will increase manifold. However, one thing is for sure, artificial intelligence is progressing faster than ever, and no one knows what might come next. Artificial intelligence will help a lot in removing tedious tasks for humans, leaving us more time to do jobs that need critical thinking and creativity, such as designing products or services, thinking of new brand campaigns, or dealing with human relationships. Some applications of artificial intelligence are already being used extensively in many tech-based industries like insurance and finance, health, and even customer service firms. Artificial intelligence is powering robots that do environmental surveys, calculate risk, talk to humans, record information, and capture data from interactions.